Hello everyone and welcome back. In this episode, I will focus on the identity authentication service of Cloud Identity Service. Each cloud solution connected to Identity Authentication Service will be seen as an application. Enable Now, for example, will be listed as an application. Ariba, everything you connect, SuccessFactors, every SAP cloud solution you connect will be listed as application. This allows us to configure solution-specific configuration. So you can do different configuration for different cloud solutions. On the other hand, it can be connected to your corporate identity provider to provide single sign-on for all those connected SAP cloud solutions. OneIS can handle multiple applications and multiple identity providers. Because of that, OneIS can handle all your systems. But if this is the best way, that will be explained in one of the next episodes. Every BTP subaccount will also be seen as a different application in the Cloud Identity Authentication Service, and even some services will be registered as a single application. For example, Workzone or Build Apps. For them, there will be also a separate application. That's a service in a subaccount. So you will have an application in Identity Authentication Service for a subaccount and also one for a service. Connecting all the different SAP cloud solutions with the same IS allows us to integrate the different solutions without any authentication problem. Think, for example, about SuccessFactors and Workzone. You have SuccessFactors and Workzone Advanced that you can integrate in each other. You can show content from SuccessFactors in Workzone and you don't have any authentication problem. Same for Joule. You can have Joule in Workzone or Joule in SuccessFactors. It's different applications in Identity Authentication Service, but it can handle the authentication across different applications. And with the same IS, they share the same token, which allows this integration. And it also avoids a round trip to your corporate identity provider. By connecting multiple identity providers, you can use OneIS for all environments, but it can also help you in case you have different types of user. For example, if you have a Workzone for internal users and for external users, you could use conditional authentication so that internal users will go to the corporate identity provider to provide a single sign-on. But, for example, for external users, that they need to use basic authentication and use the Cloud Identity Directory service. In the end, you only have to connect your corporate identity provider with IIS, and you can reuse this connection for all your SAP cloud solutions / applications.